somewhere beyond the noise of the world, hidden deep in the mountains. Grahan, a village untouched by time. There are no roads that lead here, only trails that test your will to arrive. In Grahan, life is not easy. It is earned. Every step matters. Every breath counts. They walk silently through steep forest paths, with massive logs tied to their backs, their bodies bending under the weight. But never giving up. Because this wood is not just wood. It is warmth in the freezing nights. It is fire that cooks their food. It is survival, carried on their shoulders. Here, strength is not shown. It is lived. And in the glow of every fire burns a story of resilience. A life the modern world has long forgotten.